Hi, my name's Rob Demillier. I'm here with Neurala. We're an AI company that specializes in deploying deep learning models on the edge for manufacturing and logistics applications. What you see here is a demo that we've built up using our standard Windows 10 application. However, we're also in the process of building a version of our software that will run on the Lattice Semi and NVIDIA chipset to be able to use FPGAs for acceleration of both training and inference pipelines. So I'll just give you a quick tour here of our software platform. You can see how easy it is for someone who doesn't necessarily know anything about AI to be able to deploy solutions at the edge. So what we're showing here is an object detection application, and just to give you an idea of how simple this is, we can go in and start annotating our images. So we've already collected this data, and we're going through and just tagging here very quickly a data set, and then we can add a class. We'll call this USB. And go ahead and annotate this image. And then we're ready to move forward into training. So I already have a model that's been trained in our cloud application. So I'll go ahead and move over to that. And you can see that, we've used, in this case, about 150 images tagged, on the order of 750 objects to, recognize a relatively straightforward scene. But what we're returning is actually the locations and the count of the objects that are in the frame. So we're able to do things like part kitting applications and guidance of robotics for picking and things like that, and automated lines. Once our users have gone through, and you can see, the user can evaluate the individual classes here and see that we're performing very poorly in this smaller USB connector detection. So that would be an opportunity to go ahead and upload some more data and provide more examples for the model to be trained on. But we can go ahead and push ahead and just show where we would then deploy this trained model. So I've already done that. And we have a second software application, which we call Inspector. So this is where we go and make connections to our sensor devices, Gigi vision cameras. In this case, this camera will, in the future, will be connected directly to the Lattice Semi board, and we'll be able to pull images directly from that. What I can show you is just our trained model working here on our live view. And so we can go ahead and just show this testing. Just gotta wait for this to be in the frame. So you can see I missed that trigger here, but you can see we're starting to find some of these objects here in the frame. And then just to give you an idea what this would look like at higher speed, I can take a step out and just show you a simulated device where we're actually running. And this is what it would look like to a user that's deploying this in a real application in a factory, where they're able to see objects here in the frame that are passing by. So yeah, that's our VIA solution, which is Brain Builder and Inspector. You can learn more about that if you visit www.neurala.com. Thank you.